To find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix using expansion of minors, you first need to identify the 3 minors inside of your 3 by 3 matrix. I'm going to rewrite the matrix so it's a little bit easier for you to see where I get the minors. And I'm going to use the first row to identify my minors. So I'm going to cancel out the first row here and my first column. My coefficient then will be 12 that I will use. And I'm going to find the determinant of the values that remain. To find my second minor, I again eliminate the first row, but now the second column. So 5 is my new coefficient, and we're going to use the opposite of 5 and the determinant of the values that remain, which are negative 2 and 5. And these last two values over on the side, negative 6 and 3. My last minor can be found by eliminating the first row and the last column. So 6 is my coefficient. We're going to keep the sign of the 6 and find the determinant of the values that remain. Now remember, to find the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, you're going to multiply the diagonals together and subtract. So I'm going to keep my coefficient of the first matrix. And when I multiply this first diagonal together, I get negative 9. And I'm going to subtract my value of the other diagonal, which is 42. Subtract. 5 times the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix. So negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. Subtracting my value of the other diagonal, which is negative 30. And for my final matrix, negative 2 times negative 7 is 14. And subtracting my other diagonal of negative 15. Continue simplifying. 12 times the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix is negative 51. We're subtracting 5 times the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix, which is 24. And adding 6 times our final determinant of 29. Simplify by finding your final products. 12 times negative 51 is negative 612. Subtract 5 times 24, which is 120. And adding in 6 times 29, which is 174. To find your final determinant, simplify this final expression. Negative 612 minus 120 plus 174 yields a final answer of negative 558.